Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's your friendly neighbourhood Vinnie Gillooly coming to live from Limerick City Community Radio. I'd like to first thank a few people for this nomination. Dermot Finnegan, my beautiful girlfriend Linda Ward, I thought you'd love me. Miriam Gillooly, Owen Barry, Mark Gannon and Fionn Croak. I would like to nominate Fionn Hurley and his girlfriend Gráinne O'Brien. And two friends of mine at home who are about to get married soon enough. You have to clean up for your wedding. That's Sarah Heritage and Daniel Hanley. The very best of luck to you. And also Jason McCormick. Let's get this over with. And by the way, text MND to 50300. Oh! Fuck! Jesus! Christ! Oh, that's cold!
Who do I nominate?
That's not funny!
Who will I nominate?
Oh, mother of God.
You're getting this for LCCR.
Oh yeah. Get it in, Jim.
I got fucking wet as well.
Don't forget to bring a towel!
That cold, man.
Yeah! Oh man.
Hello, how you doing? This is Adrian Hogan. I'm with Alternative Sounds with Limerick City Community Radio. Don't forget, it's your city, it's your station, it's your voice. First off, I'd like to thank Eddie Cooney for the nomination. And I'd like to nominate our own Games Guru Grimes, aka Gary Grimes. There he is. Name and shame. Okay, I'd also like to nominate Wayne Conway and Stephen Reardon. So, get to it, lads. That's it. Don't forget, you can listen in every Saturday night at 9 PM and we finish up at 11 PM. So let's do it. Come on.
Take a bow, son.
So yeah, that was my ice bucket challenge. I hope you enjoyed that. Stay tuned.
Queer.
Fucking hate you.
Oh, you're shaking me. Cheers, buddy.
We got a slight bit of a challenge in there as well.
Oh, jeez. Oh, my God. Oh.
Look. Don't forget, you can text at 50300. 50300. That's the MND to 50300. Do that.